औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप सभी का हमारे इस फेसबुक चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, आप सभी का खैर मकदम। और एक बार आज T20 सुपर कप बिग बैश played at Chukkar at Tapar. The two teams are today Chukkar I versus Dungidora. Dungidora, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. DCC Tumra. आप सभी का शुक्रिया और एक इस बार लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए। आज का जो मुकाबला है दो बड़ी टीमों के दरमियान, चुकर आई वर्सेस डोंगडोरा DDC डोंगडोरा एट बिग बैश T20 सुपर कप played at Tapar Patan. DDC डोंगडोरा, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. The two batsmen Hilal Pari and Akhtar Hussain. On bowling mark it is Wahid Bashir. स्क्वाड की बात करेंगे आज DCC डोंगडोरा का स्क्वाड: मोहम्मद यूसुफ, अदनान खान, अख्तर हुसैन, बिलाल भट्ट, हाशिम हबीब, हिलाल परे, मोहम्मद शफी, मुश्ताक अहमद, नईम अहमद, रईस रसूल, ज़हूर अहमद. एंड स्क्वाड ऑफ चुकर आई: इरशाद लफ्टी, अयान, बिलाल, फैसल अहमद, जमील, जवेद लोन, मीर ज़हूर, जाहिद, मीर उबैद, नदीम अकबर, मीर ताहिर अहमद, वाहिद बशीर. So this is the squad of the two teams. It is Wahid Bashir on bowling mark. So it is the first delivery of this match. Wahid to the batsman Hilal. Oh, this is a good start by the bowler Wahid. Totally no run. The two teams are today Chukkar I versus DCC Dungidora at Big Bash T20 Super Cup played at Tapar Patan. It is quarter final between the two teams. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Big Bash Super Cup. It is Wahid. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, again good shot, very well fielding at the end by the fielder Nadeem Akbar Mir. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे रन सूखे पड़ गए, नो रन. This is a great bowling by Wahid Bashir at the end, very good fielding by Nadeem, no run. Wahid again to the batsman Hilal. Oh, here's a touch with the bat in the leg side for 4. It is 4 for the batsman Hilal Pari, 4 for DCC Dungidora. The score on board is 4 without any loss. It is first over in the process of this first inning. Quarter final between the two teams, Chukkar I versus DCC Dungidora. It is Wahid again. Oh, this is again wide and missed by the wicket keeper for Pais 4. These are extra runs for DCC Dungidora. The score moves to 9 without any loss. 9 runs on board without any loss. It is first over in process. The two teams are Chukarai versus DCC Tungdora. The two team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this Big Bash T20 Super Cup at Topper Patan. This is Wahid. He's on his fourth delivery to the batsman Hilal Pari. He's on 4. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. वाहिद अगेन टू द बैट्समैन हिलाल. दिस इज ग्रेट शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन हिलाल परी के बल्ले से. द स्कोर मूव्स टू 13 विदाउट एनी लॉस. दिस इज ब्यूटीफुल शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन लेग साइड फॉर 4 बाय द बैट्समैन हिलाल परी. He moves to 8. The score moves to 13 without any loss. Mohsin, assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam, Mohsin, for joining us with this live broadcast. But Sahil, thank you, but Saf. It is again Wahid to the batsman. Again, good shot. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se baad 6 run. This is great shot played by the batsman Hilal. The score moves to 19 without any loss. Hilal Pari, he moves to 14. It is a great shot played by the batsman Hilal Pari. But Sahil, guys, Zoom, thank you. Otis Tate, what a shot. Thank you, Tate, for joining us. But Sahil, thank you. It is again Wahid to the batsman Hilal. Oh, this is again wide. Missed by wicketkeeper. The two batsmen take only a single. The score moves to 21. It is Wahid Bashir again. He's on his last delivery to the batsman Akhtar Hussain. But Sahil, please, thank you. Otis Tate, keep it up. Otis Tate, mashallah, what a bowling. Thank you. आप सभी का शुक्रिया. It is Wahid again to the batsman Akhtar Hussain. Oh, this is great shot. Great fielding attempt by the fielder Bilal AB. No run. After 1 over, the score is 21 without any loss. This is a great start by the two batsmen Hilal Pari and Akhtar Hussain. Now into the bowling attack. It is Irshad Lefty, the captain of this team. Chukarai, he is into the attack. The batsman on strike is Hilal Pari. He is on 14. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले. इट इज इरशाद टू द बैट्समैन. और दिस इज ग्रेट. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज हिलाल परी को. नो रन. स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 21 विदाउट एनी लॉस. हमीद लाला, थैंक यू लाला. वी मिस यू ऑल. लाला, thank you for joining us with this live broadcast. It is Irshad. Very good delivery, very good start by the bowler Irshad. Beat the batsman Hilal Pari. No run. The score remains on 21 without any loss. It is again Irshad Lefty to batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 14. Oh, again good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन हिलाल परी के बल्ले से. The score moves to 25 without any loss. This is a great shot played by the batsman offside for 4. Hilal Pari, he moves to 18 in 7 deliveries. Irshad Lefty, he is again to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, this is quality shot. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन. This is great shot played by the batsman Hilal Pari. The ball raised the boundary for 4. The score moves to 29 without any loss. Hilal, हमीद लाला, thank you लाला साहब for joining. लेकिन हम बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं आपको आज लाला. It is again Irshad Lefty to the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 22 in 8 deliveries. Oh, again, could come back, but the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 30 without any loss. Mr. Hacker is ball. Thank you, Hacker for joining us with this live broadcast. It is a shot lefty again to the batsman Akhtar Hussain. Oh, again, good delivery. Here the two batsmen take a single. This is great running between the wickets by the two batsmen Akhtar Hussain and Hilal Pari. Score moves to 31 without any loss. Lala Hamid, thank you, Mr. Hacker. Again, lefty to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, this is great delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. This is great running between the wickets by the two batsmen Hilal Pari and Akhtar Hussain. Rotate the strike after 2 overs 32 without any loss. This is a T20 Big Bash Super Cup played at Tapar Patan. The two teams are today. It is a Chukar I versus DCC Dongdora. DCC Dongdora, they won the toss and they decided to bat first. But this is great start by the two batsmen Hilal Pari and Akhtar Hussain. 32 without any loss. Irshad Pari first simple cup. Hey, bye. Thank you. Irshad Pari. It is into the bowling again. Jamil Chedi. Oh, this is good start by the bowler Jamil Chedi. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. No run. Score remains on 32 without any loss. Thank you, Irshad Pari for joining us with this live broadcast. Dar Asif, nice bowling. Thank you, Asif Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. It is again Jamil Chedi to the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 23 in 11 deliveries. Jamil Chedi again to the batsman Hilal. Oh, this is again good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. This is great running between the wickets by the two batsmen Hilal and Akhtar Hussain. With this, the score moves to 33 without any loss. Hamid Lala Chukar, best of luck. Thank you, Lala Safar, you allowed to this team Chukar I. But this is great start by the two batsmen Hilal Pari and Akhtar Hussain. It is again Jamil to the batsman Akhtar. Oh, again here chance of a catch, but it is no man's land. This is again very good fielding by the fielder at and TM. यहाँ पे रन आउट लिया पहले विकेट गिरी DDC डोंगडोरा की. This is great fielding at the end by Tahir Ahmed. The end of Akhtar Hussain. This is a great fielding. एक अच्छी फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा ताहिर के दौरान और विकेट चटकाई. After 2.2 overs, the score is 33 for the loss of one. The wicket of Akhtar Hussain without any run. He loses his wicket. Jamil is on his first over. So this is a good comeback by the Chukar I. This is a great fielding at the end by the fielder TM. End of Akhtar Hussain. एक अच्छा थ्रो वहाँ पे मारा वहाँ पे टीएम ने और विकेट चटकाई रन आउट की सूरत में अख्तर हुसैन की. Dar Zubair Naikyu, big fan Jamil Naikyu and team. Thank you Dar Zubair Saab for you allowed to Jamil Naikyu and team. Dar Asif, very good. Thank you Asif Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. So it is a good comeback by Chukar I. 33 for the loss of one. It is Jamil Chedi again, the new batsman on strike. Mir Sahil match कहाँ है? It is at Tapar Patan Big Bash T20 Super Cup played between the two teams Chukar I versus DCC Dongdora. Jamil again to the batsman. Oh, again good comeback, good delivery by Jamil Chedi. No run. Hamid Lala, very good team. Thank you Lala for you allowed. Dar Haya, thank you Dar Haya for joining us with this live broadcast. Mir Sahil, thank you. Hilal Khan, big fan team. Thank you. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले. द न्यू बैट्समैन इज बिलाल भट्ट. It is Jamil Chedi again. Very good shot played by the batsman out of stadium. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 6 रन हिलाल परी के बल्ले से. This is great hit by the batsman Hilal Pari. Ball goes for 6. The score moves to 39 for the loss of 1. It is a great shot played by the batsman Hilal Pari. He moves to 30 in 14 deliveries. Thank you Wani Umer. Over कितने हुए हैं? Thank you Wani sir for joining us with this live broadcast. After 2.5 overs, 39 for the loss of 1. It is Jamil Chedi again to the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 30 in 14 deliveries. Jamil Jari again to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, here is again. Very good fielding at the end by Nadeem Akbar Mir. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे रन 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने अपने टीम के लिए. The two batsmen take only a single. With this single, the score moves to 40 for the loss of 1 after 3 overs. Mir Sahil, very good team. Thank you. Latif Kashmiri, ये मैच कहाँ चल रहा है? It is at Big Bash T20 Super Cup played at Tapar Patan. Shukar Ai versus DCC Tongdora. DCC Tongdora, they won the toss and they decided to bat first. After 3 hours, 40 runs on board for the loss of 1. Prince Adil Chukar Ai will win. Thank you, Prince Saab, Prince Adil Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. It is into the attack. Ayan is a very young, talented, energetic bowler of Chukar Ai. He is into the attack. He is on his first over to the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 31. Oh, this is Kotari, very good, but very good running between the wickets by the two batsmen Hilal Pari and Bilal Basit. This is a great running between the wickets by the two batsmen. But Hilal is the new batsman on strike. Takes figures. God, Ayan into the attack. He's again on his bowling mark to the batsman. But Bilal But. आज देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे Ayan. Oh, this is very good, but this is wide. Given by the umpire wide. Fitness Adil under 90 का मैच है आज चुकर में. Thank you Adil साहब. I have no information about that. Sorry for this Adil साहब. It is Ayan again to the batsman Bilal. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन Bilal Basit के बल्ले से Bilal Bhatt के बल्ले से. The score moves to 46 for the loss of 1. लाला कौन प्लेयर है? थैंक यू लाला साहब. अगर हम स्कॉट की बात करेंगे चुकर आए कि आज स्कॉट की बात करेंगे तो Prince Adil, okay, thank you, Prince Adil Saab. It is Ayan again to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, it is again wide, given by the umpire. The score moves to 47 for the loss of 1. It is great start by the batsman Hilal Pari. Ayan, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal But. Ayan to Bilal. Again, Kotari, very good fielding at and missed by the fielder. दो फील्डरों के दरमियान बॉल चली गई. वो सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन. एक मौका था लेकिन सुस्त फील्डिंग वहाँ पे फील्डर के दौरान बॉल रेस द बाउंड्री फॉर 4. It is 51 up for DCC Tongdora. 51 for the loss of 1. Ayan again. Ayan again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He's on 8. Oh, again good shot, but only a single. With this single, the score moves to 52 for the loss of 1. It is Ayan again to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, this is great shot. Will he? This is out of stadium for 6. This is great shot. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 6 रन हिलाल परी के बल्ले से. He moves to 38 in 17 deliveries. This is a great shot played by the batsman Hilal Pari. Partnership moves to 25 in 8 deliveries. 58 for the loss of 1. Again Ayan to the batsman Hilal Pari. Again good shot, but at the end very good fielding. Dottery. अगर हम लाला सुकाट की बात करेंगे पहले Javed Lone, Nadeem Akbar Mir, Mir Ubaid, Jamil Jari, Ayan, Faisal, Bilal AB, Irshad Lefty, Tahir TM, and it is Wahid Bashir. The squad off at Chukar Eye. Jamil Chedi again, he's on his second over. The batsman on strike is Bilal, but he's on 9. Jamil to Bilal. Oh, again, good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 59 for the loss of 1. It is Hilal Perry again on strike. He's on 38, but Ferdoz Bilal but 100. Thank you. But Bilal Safar, you allowed to Hilal Perry. Really, he's on good touch. 38 runs in 18 deliveries with a hell of a 4-4 and a 3 huge 6. Again, Jamil Chedi to the bat. Here, chance of a catch. But this is a ball raised about for 4. The score moves to 63 for the loss of 1. Hilal Perry, he moves to 42 in 19 deliveries. This is a great knock played by the batsman Hilal Perry. He is on 42 in 19 deliveries with the hell of a 5-4 and 3 huge 6. 30 runs partnership between the two batsmen in 11 deliveries. Jamil again to the batsman Hilal Perry. Oh, again the batsman wants to hit this ball. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया गेंदबाज जमील ने ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. No run. Score remains on 63 for the loss of 1. So this is a good comeback by the bowler Jamil Chedi. Jamil again to the batsman Hilal Perry. He's on 42. Okay, good delivery, very good delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. No run. (63) for the loss of 1. Jamil Chedi again to the batsman Hilal Perry. Oh, मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया जमील चेडी ने. नो रन. बॉल सीधे विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में. स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 63 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 1. अगर हम बात करेंगे दो बल्लेबाजों की एक अच्छी शुरुआत ये हिलाल परी ने अपनी टीम डीसी डोंगोरा को 63 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 1 आफ्टर 4.5 overs. It is Jamil. He's on his last delivery to the batsman Hilal Perry. He's on 42. Oh, his chance for ball will raise the boundary for 4. थंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन हिलाल परी के बल्ले से. हिलाल परी की बात करेंगे तो एक अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा. He moves to 46 in 23 deliveries after 5 overs 67 for the loss of 1. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो घर बैठे इस मैच का मजा ले, आनंद ले. आफ्टर DCC Dhangdora they win the toss and they decided to bat first. So this is a great start by the batsman Hilal Perry. 67 for the loss of 1 after 5 overs. It is a Wahid Bashir again into the bowling attack after 5 overs 67 for the loss of 1. The partnership was on 34 in 15 deliveries. It is Wahid. He's on his second over to the batsman, but Bilal, he's on 10. Oh, again, continually very good delivery by the bowler Wahid Bashir. No run. Score remains on 67 for the loss of 1. अब देखना होगा इस पार्टनरशिप को तोड़ने में कौन से गेंदबाज कामयाब हो जाएंगे. This is great batting by the batsman Hilal Perry. He is on 46 in 23 deliveries. It is Wahid again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. Oh, again, good shot played by the batsman. Ball will raise the boundary or not. But this is a great fielding attempt by Jamil Chedi. The two batsmen complete only 2 runs. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 2 रन बचाए फील्डर जमील ने. The score moves to 71 for the loss of 1. It is Bilal again on strike. Mohsin Asif, assalamu alaikum. Thank you, Mohsin Saab, for joining us. It is again Wahid Bashir to the batsman, but Bilal. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 6 रन. This is a great shot played by the batsman, but Bilal, he moves to 18 in 7 deliveries. 75 on board for the loss of 1. Asif Pandit, thank you Asif Pandit for joining us with this live broadcast. It is Wahid Bashir again to the batsman Bilal. Again, could come back, but it is wide chain by the umpire. White. 76 for the loss of 1. Thank you, Master Panisa, for joining us. Prince Adil, thank you. Motion score update. Thank you, Motion Saab. The score is 76 for the loss of 1 after 5.3 hours. This is a great start by the two batsmen, Hilal Pari and Bilal Bhatt. Again, Wahid to the batsman. Very good shot, but at the end, very well played here. Chance of a run out. But the two batsmen complete a single. This is great running between the two batsmen, Hilal Pari and Bilal Bhatt. The partnership is on 44 in 19 deliveries. Wahid Bashir again on his bowling mark to the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 46. Oh, it is missed by wicketkeeper. एक मौका था, बट दिस इज ग्रेट। एक मौका यहाँ पे कैच लेने का, लेकिन विकेटकीपर ने खवाया वहाँ पे कैच। This is a luck for the batsman Hilal Pari. 44 runs partnership between the two batsmen in 20 deliveries. Wahid Bashir, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Hilal Pari. Oh, can the batsman wants to hit this ball, but this is great delivery by Wahid Bashir. No run after 6 overs, 77 for the loss of 1. तो अगर हम बात करेंगे डीसीसी डंडोरा की, तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है दो बल्लेबाजों ने, खासकर हिलाल परी ने 46 रनों पे खेल रहे हैं। 25 रनों में 6 चौके और 3 छक्के अपने इस पारी में। This is a great batting by the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 46 and Bilal Bhatt, he is on 19 in 8 deliveries. The partnership is on 44 in 21 deliveries. थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा, आप लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में बने रहें। So this is a great start by DCC Dongdora. They have 77 on board for the loss of 1 after 6 overs. Hilal Pari, he is on 46. अख्तर हुसैन ने कोई रन बिना रन गवाए बनाए को अपना विकेट गवाया रन आउट की सूरत में। बिलाल भट्ट, he is on 19 in 8 deliveries. गेंदबाजी की बात करेंगे, जमील 2 overs 17 रन, वाहिद बशीर 2 ओवर 21 रन, इरशाद लफ्टी 1 ओवर 9 रन खर्च किए, अयान 1 ओवर 18 रन। तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है दो बल्लेबाजों ने, खासकर हिलाल परी ने जो 46 रन पे नाबाद है भी। 25 गेंदें, 6 चौके और 3 छक्के। He need only 4 runs to complete his 50 in this T20 Big Bash Super Cup at Tapar Patan. Now into the bowling attack, it is Zahid Mir into the bowling attack. Hilal Pari, he is on strike, he is on 46. Sorry, Bilal Bhatt on strike. So it is Zahid into the bowling attack. He's on his first over. The batsman on strike is Bilal, but he's on 19 in 8 deliveries. Zahid to Bilal. Oh, this is good start by the bowler Mir Zahid. Ball goes into the close of wicketkeeper. No run. The score remains on 77 for the loss of 1. It is Mir Zahid again to the batsman Bilal Butt. Again, got to repeat the batsman. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज बिलाल भट्ट को. Score remains on 77 for the loss of 1. This is a great bowling by Mir Zahid. Great start by the bowler Mir Zahid. 77 for the loss of 1. It is again Zahid Mir to the batsman Bilal Butt. Here chance of a catch, but it is no man's land. Ball will. This is great running at the end by Jamil Jedi. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 2 रन बचाए फील्डर जमील ने. The score moves to 79 for the loss of 1. Prannas Adil, good shot. Thank you. Yawar Bashir, all the best team. DCC Dongdora. This is important match. Wishing you guys thank you. Yawar Bashir Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. It is again good comeback, but wide given by the umpire. The score moves to 80 for the loss of 1. King Saab, come on, Dongdora Yaro. Thank you. Again, good delivery, but missed by wicket keeper. Missed by third. The ball raced the boundary for 4. 84 for the loss of 1 after 6.3 hours. King, come on, Dongdora. Thank you, King Saab. Dar Hilal. Hi, thank you, Hilal Saab, for joining us with this. Nadeem handballer, all the best team. Thank you, Nadeem Saab, for joining us with this live broadcast. आप सभी का शुक्रिया और अपनी अपनी टीम को सपोर्ट करते हुए. It is Mir Zahid again on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal, but he's on 21. Again, Koturi, but missed by wicketkeeper for the 2 batsmen. Complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 85 for the loss of 1. It's Zahid Mir again to the batsman. He's on 46. Okay, good delivery, good keeping by TM. This is great bowling by Zahid Mir and very good fielding behind the wickets by TM. The score remains on 85 for the loss of 1 after 7 overs. यहाँ पे एक विकेट लेनी होगी गेंदबाजों को, एक ब्रेकअप देना होगा, लेकिन this is a great batting by the batsman Hilal Pari and Bilal Butt. Hilal Pari, he's on 46, but Bilal, he's on 21. It is a 52 runs partnership between the 2 batsmen Bilal and Hilal Pari. प्रिंस अली का मान चुका था. थैंक यू नदीम साहब, थैंक यू. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले, आनंद ले. The 2 teams are today Chukkar I versus DCC Dongdora at HPH at Big Bash T20 Super Cup Tapar Patan. It is a quarter final between the 2 teams. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this Big Bash T20 Super Cup. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. हमीद साहब, लव यू ऑल Chukkar brothers. Thank you, Hamid साहब, for your love to this team Chukkar. It is a very good start by the batsman Hilal Pari and Bilal Butt. After 7 overs, 85 for the loss of 1. DCC Dongdora. It is Faisal. He is one of the talented young energetic bowler of Chukkar I. He is into the bowling attack. The batsman on strike is Bilal Butt. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे आज फैसल. चाहते हैं एग्रेसिव बॉलिंग के लिए. चलो आज और एक मौका है विकेट चटकाने का, अपना नाम मनवाने का फैसल को. Is again to the batsman Bilal Butt. He's on his first over. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन in leg side for 4. This is great shot played by the batsman Bilal Butt. He moves to 25 in 14 deliveries. The score moves to 89 for the loss of 1. It is a great shot played by the batsman Bilal Butt. 56 runs partnership between the 2 batsmen Bilal and Hilal in 28 deliveries. It is Faisal Akan to the batsman Butt Bilal. Quarter final between the 2 teams Chukkar I versus DCC Dongdora. Faisal Akan to the batsman Bilal. Again, good shot played by the batsman Here the two batsmen wants to take 2 runs. This is great running between the wickets by the two batsmen Bilal and Hilal. Faisal again to the batsman, but Bilal. Oh, this again good shot at the end. It is only a single. 92 for the loss of 1 after 7.3 hours. अब देखना होगा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी DCC डोंगडोरा की टीम. If this batsman will be stay here, the target will be 200, 220. Hilal Pari, he is on 46. He need only 4 runs to complete his 50. Faisal to Hilal Pari. Oh, again, here's a chance, but it is no man's land. The two batsmen complete a single. He moves to 47. The score moves to 93 for the loss of 1. Prince Adil 164. Thank you, Prince, for joining us. This is Faisal again to the batsman here. The two batsmen want to take a single. This is great running between the wickets by the two batsmen Bilal and Hilal. The score moves to 94 for the loss of 1. This is a great running between the two batsmen Hilal Pari and but Bilal. Now Hilal Pari, he's on strike. He need only 3 runs to complete his 50. Irshad Pari, Kalkin ka match. Thank you Irshad Pari for joining us. I have no information. You will contact your organizer body. It is a Faisal again to the batsman Hilal Pari. He is on 47. He need only 3 runs to complete his 50. So this is great start by DCC Dongdora. 94 for the loss of 1. Faisal again to the batsman Hilal. Oh, this is again good delivery, but he cannot stop the two batsmen to complete a single. Hilal, he moves to 48 in 18 deliveries after 8 overs. 95 for the loss of 1. एक अच्छी शुरुआत दो बल्लेबाजों के दौरान हिलाल परी और बिलाल बासित के दौरान. हिलाल परी की बात करेंगे तो 48 रन पे नाबाद और बिलाल बट he is on 29 in 17 deliveries. Hilal Pari, he need 2 runs to complete his 50. It is Mir Zahid again into the bowling attack to the batsman Hilal Pari. Again good delivery by Zahid Mir. No run totally. The score remains on 95 for the loss of 1. अगर हम बल्लेबाजों की बात करेंगे तो संभाल के खेलना होगा, रोक के खेलना होगा. Because here's chance of a catch. Oh, very good catch at the end by Faisal. This is end of very good bowling, very good catch at the end by Faisal. Hilal Pari, he lost his wicket. He make only 48 runs. This is very well knock off 48 runs in 29 deliveries. So this is a great start by the batsman Hilal Pari. End of Hilal Pari. DCC Dongdora, they lost their second wicket. They have 95 runs on board. So this is the end knock off Hilal Pari and 48 runs in 29 deliveries with the help of 6-4 and 3-6. So this is the end of good knock of Hilal Pari. This is great bowling by Mir Zahid at the end. Very good catch by Faisal. This is good comeback by the bowler Zahid Mir, but very good knock played by the batsman Hilal Pari. 48 runs in 29 deliveries. तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है DCC डोंगडोरा को. अब देखना होगा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी DCC डोंगडोरा की टीम चुकर आई को. It is quarter final between the two teams Chukar Ai versus DCC Dongdora. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals of this T20 Big Bash Super Cup at Patan, Tapar Patan. So into the bowling attack, it is Mihir Zahid again. Zahid again to the batsman Adnan, the new batsman. The two batsmen complete a single, very good running between the wickets by the two batsmen, Bilal Bhatt and the new batsman Adnan. Mir Zahid to the batsman Bilal. This is a great shot here, chance of a run out. This is a lazy fielding at the end by the fielders. The ball raised for 4. This is extra runs. These are extra runs for DCC Tongdora. Now again, continued by Mir Zahid. It is great running between the two. This is Zahid again to the batsman Bilal. It is 100 up for TCC Tongdora, 102 for the last up, 103 for the last up 2 after 9 overs. Bilal passes, he's on 35 in 19 deliveries. The new batsman Adil Khan, he's on 2. मीर जाहिद की बात करेंगे, 2 ओवर्स में 11 रन खर्च किए और 1 विकेट लिया है मीर जाहिद ने. Now into the bowling attack, it is Irshad lefty. Irshad Pare, thank you Fayaz Saab, time for lefty to bowl himself. Thank you Fayaz Saab for your good suggestion to Chukar Eye. It is again Irshad lefty into the bowling attack. He's on his second over. The batsman on strike is Bilal Bhatt. अब देखना होगा किस तरह की गेंदबाजी करेंगे, कितना स्कोर टारगेट लेने में कामयाब हो जाएगी डीसी टोंगरा. इट इज अगेन caught delivery by इरशाद लेफ्टी. नो रन स्कोर रिमेंस ऑन 103 फॉर द लास्ट ऑफ 2. यहाँ पे बॉल हाथ पे लगने से की वजह से थोड़ी बहुत दर्द महसूस कर रहा है खिलाड़ी बिलाल भट्ट. Irshad lefty, he's again on his bowling mark. Bilal Bhatt, he's on strike. Irshad to Bilal, this is great shot played by the batsman here. The ball raised the boundary for 4. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 4 रन बिलाल भट्ट के बल्ले से. This is great shot played by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. The score moves to 107 for the loss of 2 after 9.2 hours. Irshad lefty, he's again on bowling mark to the batsman. This is again good shot played by the batsman, but only a single. King Saab Bilal by side. Karjan, thank you King Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. King Aldi Achini, thank you King Saab for joining us. It is a lefty again to the batsman Adnan Khan. He is on 2 runs. Again continue, but cannot stop the 2 batsmen to complete a single. This is great running between the wickets by the 2 batsmen Bilal and Adnan Khan. The score moves to 109 for the loss of 2. Lefty, he's again on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. Here's chance of a catch. Will he? This is a lazy fielding at the end by Javed Lone. Dropped the catch. The catch of Bilal Bhatt. It is not catch, it is a match. The quarter final between the two teams. एक मौका बनता था यहाँ पे विकेट लेने का, लेकिन खवाया वहाँ पे जावेद ने. Irshad lefty, he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Adnan Khan. Again Kotturi, no run. After 10 overs, 110 for the last of 2. This is great start by DCC Tongdora. After 10 overs, 110 runs on board. Bilal Pare very well luck, 48 runs in 29 deliveries. Now it is Bilal Bhatt, he is on 41 in 23 deliveries. Mir Zahid continues his third over. He is on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal. Again good shot, good fielding at the end by Nadeem Akbar Mir. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर नदीम ने. रनर्स आदिल साइड चेंज करो. थैंक यू आदिल साहब. किंग 230, थैंक यू किंग साहब. अगेन कोटरी मिस्ड बाय विकेट कीपर. the two batsmen complete a single. But Bilal, he's on 42. Zahid to Bilal. Again मारना चाहते थे लेकिन चौके है वहाँ पे बल्लेबाज बिलाल बट. It is a dot delivery, no run. Mir Zahid again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. Oh, this is quality shot played by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. The ball raised the motive upward. धंधनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा के बाद 4 रन. एक अच्छा सा शॉट यहाँ पे बिलाल बट के बल्ले से. He moves to 46 in 26 deliveries. This is quality shot played by the batsman Bilal. It is also no ball given by the umpire. Free hit. But Zahid Mir again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He's on 46. Again good shot. Dandanaata hua सीमा रेखा के बाद 4 run. It is 50 for the batsman Bilal Bhatt. This is very well knock off of 50 runs by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. 50 runs in 27 deliveries with the help of 6-4 at 1 huge 6. The score moves to 121 for the last up 2. It is Zahid again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He is on 50. Again good shot, but at the end the two batsmen complete only a single. Zahid Mir, he is again on his polymorph to the batsman Adnan Khan. Again very well fielding attempt by Nadeem Mir, but cannot stop the two batsmen to complete a single after 11 overs. 123 for the loss of 2. It is a very well knocked played by the batsman Hilal Pari, and on strike Bilal Bhatt. He is on 51 in 28 deliveries with the help of 6-4 and 1 huge 6. A shot lefty. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Adnan Khan. He is on 3. अब देखना होगा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी डीसीसी डुंगडोरा की टीम चुकराय को. A shot to Adnan. Oh, this is great. Clean ball. डंडे बाहर किए. शाहरुख खान ने चित किया यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज अदनान को और विकेट मिली इरशाद लेफ्टी को. This is good comeback by the bowler Irshad Lefty and up Adnan Khan. 123 for the loss of 3. This is good comeback by the bowler Irshad Lefty. 28 runs partnership between the two batsmen Adnan Khan and Bilal Basit, and this is a great delivery by Irshad Lefty. He takes his first wicket in his second over on the first delivery. King Saab, thank you King Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. It is a very good comeback by the bowler Irshad Lefty, but a very good start by the two batsmen Hilal Pari and Bilal Basit. Bilal Basit, he is on 51 on non-strike, and Hilal Pari, he make 48 runs, very well knock in 28 deliveries. The new batsman is on strike, Mohammad Shafi. अब देखना होगा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए डीसीसी डंगोरा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाए. बिकॉज दे हैव गुड स्टार्ट by the batsman Hilal Pari and Bilal Basit. 123 runs for the loss of 3 after 11.1 over. The new batsman on strike is Mohammad Shafi. Bilal Basit is on non-strike and he is on 51. Auto State Shafi Bhai is very good batsman. Thank you Tetsa for your love to this batsman Mohammad Shafi, the new batsman for DCC Dungdora. Headshot left again to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. Again, good shot played by batsman. Here is very good fielding at that by Huzef, but cannot stop the two batsmen to complete a single. It is Bilal Basit on strike. He's on 51. Lefty to Bilal. Oh, again, Koduri, but very good shot played by the batsman. Here is base fielding by Faisal. The two batsmen complete 2 runs. This is lazy fielding at the end by the fielders of Chukarai. The score moves to 126 for the loss of 3. It is lefty again to the batsman Bilal, but he is on 53. Again, good shot, but at the end, very good fielding by the fielder Nadeem Akbar. lefty again, good shot played by the batsman for a single. अगर हम बात करेंगे डीसीसी डंडोरा की तो एक अच्छी शुरुआत है आज बल्लेबाजों ने, खासकर हिलाल परे और बिलाल भट्ट ने. Shot lefty to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. Oh, this is great delivery by shot lefty. End of 12 overs, 127 for the loss of 3. अब देखना होगा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी. वाह वाह वाह, कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी डीसीसी डंडोरा की टीम. चुकर आई को आफ्टर 12 overs, 127 for the loss of 3. Faisal is into the bowling attack to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He is on 54. Bilal to Faisal to Bilal. Oh, this is great shot. Dandanata hua. Seema rekha se bahar 6 run. This is great shot played by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He moves to 60. The score moves to 133 for the loss of 3. This is a great shot played by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He moves to 60 in 32 deliveries with help of 2, 6 and 6-4. Faisal again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. Again, here's chance of a catch, but it is a no man's land. Ball will rest the body for 4. This is again good shot played by the batsman. तंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से पार 4 रन बिलाल भट्ट के बल्ले से. यहाँ पे छक्कों और चौकों की बारिश बिलाल भट्ट के बल्ले से. He is in good touch today. He moves to 64 in 33 deliveries. DCC Dongdora, they win the toss and they decided to bat first. This is a great start by the batsman Hilal Pari and Bilal Basit. Faisal again on his bowling mark to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He's on 64. Oh, again, this is good comeback, but at the end, the two batsmen complete a single. This is a great running between the wickets by the two batsmen, Mohammad Shafi and Bilal Bhatt. ऊपर आसमान पे बादल, नीचे चुकर आई पे बादल. आज एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है दो बल्लेबाजों ने. It is again Faisal to the batsman Mohammad Shafi, plays very well. Shot for 4. This is again good shot played by the batsman. दंदराता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाद 4 रन मोहम्मद शफी के बल्ले से. नीचे चुकर आई के प्लेयरों पर बादल. आज एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है हिलाल परे ने और बिलाल भट्ट ने. The partnership की बात करेंगे. The partnership between the two players Mohammad Shafi and Bilal Bhatt is on 19 in 9 deliveries. Faisal again to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. He's on 5. Oh, here's chance of a catch, but it is no man's land. The two batsmen wants to take single, but great fielding at the end by Ayan. No run. This is slow delivery by Faisal. He's again on his last delivery to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. Out to state. Ranchi is left to thank you. Takes off for your love to this bowler Faisal. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. Oh, this is great delivery. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. No run after 13 overs, 142 for the loss of 3. अब देखना होगा कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी डीसीसी डंडोरा की टीम चुकर आय को. एक सुहाना मौसम, खूबसूरत मौसम है इस खूबसूरत ग्राउंड में जो कि तापर पट्टन में इस वक्त मैच खेला जा रहा है. दो टीमों के दरमियान चुकर आई versus DCC Dongdora quarter final between the two teams. The team who win this match, they will qualify in the semi-finals. It is Jamil into the attack to the batsman Bilal Basit. It is again good shot played by the batsman. Tandanata hua सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन. This is a great shot played by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. He moves to 69 in 35 deliveries. एक अच्छी पारी बिलाल भट्ट के बल्ले से. छक्कों और चाकों की बारिश. एक अच्छी पारी का मुजाहरा बिलाल भट्ट के दौरान. आग उगलता हुआ बिलाल का बल्ला आज. The score on board is 146 for the loss of 3. It is Jamil again to the batsman. Very good delivery by Jamil. Ball goes into the gloves of wicketkeeper. यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज मारना चाहते थे लेग साइड पे, लेकिन शॉट मिस किया और बॉल गई सीधे दस्तानों में, विकेट कीपर के दस्तानों में। It is Jamil again to the batsman Bilal. Oh, again good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ सीमा रेखा से बाहर 4 रन बिलाल भट्ट के बल्ले से। He plays very well knock off. He moves to 73 in 37 deliveries. एक अच्छी पारी का मुजाहरा बिलाल भट्ट के दौरान, उसका पल्ला आग उगलता हुआ। 150 up for DCC Dangdora. It is Jamil again to the batsman Bilal Bhatt. Oh, again good shot, but the two batsmen take only a single. ऊपर आसमान पे बादल, नीचे चुकर आए पे बादल, बिकॉज एक अच्छी शुरुआत दी है बल्लेबाजों ने, खासकर हिलाल परे और बिलाल भट्ट की बात करेंगे। Jamil again to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. Oh, again good shot in the offside for 4. This is great shot played by the batsman for 4. $155 for the last of 3 after 13.5 overs. Jamil, he is again on his last delivery. The batsman on strike is Mohammad Shafi. Jamil to the batsman Mohammad Shafi. Oh, here chance of a catch, really, but it is very well tried. यहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत बारिश देखना होगा, कितनी देर तक बारिश हो जाएगी। तो हम आज ये कह सकते हैं एक अच्छी शुरुआत है बल्लेबाजों ने, DCC डोंगडोरा के बल्लेबाजों ने। खासकर अगर हम स्कोर कार्ड की बात करेंगे तो हिलाल परे 48 runs knock in 30 deliveries with the help of 6-4 and 3-6. अख्तर हुसैन अपने विकेट गवाई बिना कोई रन। बिलाल भट्ट he is on strike, he is on 74 in 38 deliveries. अदनान ने 3 रन बनाए, मोहम्मद शफी 9 रन पे खेल रहे। It is lefty on bowling mark. The batsman on strike is Bilal Bhatt. Oh, this is great delivery, very good delivery, but very good knock played by the batsman Bilal Bhatt. This is very well knock of 74 runs by Bilal Bhatt and great delivery by Irshad Lefty. Good comeback by the bowler. This is great knock played by the young talented batsman of DCC Dangdora. 74 runs in 39 deliveries. The score moves to 155 for the last of 4 after 14.1 over. यहाँ पे बारिश होते हुए ग्राउंड पे आप सरोवर कमिश्नर में लिखिए कहाँ कहाँ इस वक्त बारिश हो रही है। एक अच्छा सा मौसम, खूबसूरत मौसम, तापर के हसीन ग्राउंड पे आप देख सकते हैं हमारी स्क्रीन पे। तेज़ार बारिश इस वक्त हो रही है, देखना होगा कब तक मैच को रोका जाएगा। प्लेयर्स अपने अपने ड्रेसिंग रूम में